Area 51 is an extremely confidential 6 by 10 mile block of government land. The base itself occupies just over 90,000 acres. Area 51 consists of a massive hangar, a guard shack, radar antennas, housing facilities, mess halls, offices, runways, and shelters.
Everything that takes place at Area 51 is strictly classified, including the facility and projects. The supposed reason it was built was to be a testing ground for military planes, including the U-2 spy plane.
All official names for Area 51 are classified, although here are a few of its nicknames. It also got its name because it borders Grid 15. 15 backwards is 51. Area 51 is also known as Grooms Lake, Paradise Ranch, and the Atomic Energy Commission, AEC. Area 51 is approximately 90 miles north of Las Vegas. The closest town to the base is the town of Rachel, Nevada, but even Rachel is 25 miles north of it. The reason the location was chosen was for its remoteness, so it could keep off radar. Area 51 is a dried lake bed surrounded by many acres of desert, which is blocked off by the Air Force, and for many years, map makers didn't even include Area 51 on maps, even the roads leading to it.
Apparently, Area 51 is a military airbase used for testing grounds of Air Force planes such as the U-2 spy plane. The U-2 spy plane is an incredible plane that can fly up to 2,300 miles per hour at altitudes of 90,000 feet. The base is also rumored to be a nuclear bomb testing ground. Area 51 is known for containing more than just planes and bombs. People of the town of Rachel have seen strange lights hovering above Area 51. Could these lights be flying saucers?
But are flying saucers the only thing being held at Area 51? Are extraterrestrials really being examined on Earth? Well, that's what Area 51 is famous for.
Many people believe not only that aliens are being held in Area 51, but some even believe that they run it. I wonder what the government has down there.
At first, the government denied the existence of the base altogether, but the Soviet Union used a satellite to capture pictures to prove the area was in fact real. The government then came clean in 1990, stating that yes, Area 51 does exist. In the center of Area 51 is a large base that the government will not speak of. Yet it is a known fact that the CIA, Air Force, and Lockheed have used it for what they will claim to be military testing.
Robert Lazar is a physicist who went on national television in 1988 to claim he was part of Operation working on alien technology. He claimed that the government was in possession of 9 or more alien spacecrafts which were held at a base called S4, which is very close to Grooms Lake.
It is said that they managed to obtain these alien items by trading with the aliens. But what did we give up? The only way the workers of Area 51 can get to the base is by unmarked Boeing 737s and 727s, which are planes, that depart from the McCarran Airport in Las Vegas.
Every employee must sign an oath to keep everything that goes on at the base a secret, and the workers are restricted to their areas of the base only. In 2007, an Area 51 crew began construction on a 200 by 500, 100-foot tall aircraft hangar, but they will not speak of it.
A really weird thing is that when they are testing their so-called aircrafts, all uninvolved employees must stay inside until the testing is over. I wonder why that is. Some believe that Area 51 is related to Roswell, and more people believe that the Roswell spacecraft is being kept and examined in Area 51.
The word to describe the access to the base is more than limited. Although the borders of the base are not fenced, they just have orange warning poles with signs saying no photography, and going any further will result in a fine. And an even more comforting one that says, security is authorized to use deadly force on people who insist on trespassing.
Area 51 has undercover guards called Camo Dudes. These guards drive around the perimeter of Area 51 looking for anybody near the borders. But the interesting thing is that the guards act as observers and deterrents. It has also been rumored that helicopters hover extremely close to trespassers. The airspace above Area 51 is known as R4808 and is strictly forbidden. Even military aircrafts aren't allowed to fly through it. Also, when the secret aircrafts are being tested, there are shelters called Scoot and Hide. They are for when the satellites pass over, so the aircrafts can quickly head for cover.
If you ever want to catch a glimpse of the action, you can take a drive down the 375, the extraterrestrial highway. But sadly, the closest place to see Area 51 is by taking a treacherous hike up to the top of Tikaboo Peak, although it is 26 miles away.
Although it is quite possible to see an aircraft hovering above Area 51 because the airspace is so restricted and normal planes can't fly through it. It has been said that Area 51 has 40 levels below the surface and that the surface sits above a massive labyrinth, and it has been said that there are underground railways leading to other bases.
The underground is the supposed location of the spacecrafts and extraterrestrials. Area 51 is one of the most famous unknowns.
Maybe someday we will know what goes on
at Area 51.